Have you recently heard the rumor that artificial intelligence is going to take over the software industry and replace
all of us with robots?
Yeah, me too. But is it really true? In this video, we're going to explore the role of AI in software engineering in the year of 2023 and see if we have anything to worry about. Do you want to stay in the know about the future of software engineering and AI? Subscribe to this channel for more insights and updates. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the use of computers to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This can include things like playing chess, recognize patterns in data, and making decisions more quickly and accurately than humans. However, it's very important to note that AI still relies on human input and it may not have the same level of understanding of emotions and creativity as humans do. Some recent examples of AI technologies that you've probably seen around is machine learning, such as social media algorithms, natural language processing, such as ChatGPT, which is something that I've played with a lot, or image recognition software such as Lens AI, which produces the magic avatars that you've seen all over Instagram in the last couple of weeks. So how is AI being used in a software development process? Well, it's being used to automate tasks and improve efficiency. For example, AI can be used to identify patterns in data or make predictions about the future outcomes, which can be really helpful in debugging or testing software. AI can also be used to analyze code and suggest improvements or optimizations, as well as automate the documentation process. Can you imagine never having to write documentation again? That would be a dream come true, at least for me. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Is AI really going to replace software engineers and take over our jobs? Well, some people argue that AI technologies are capable of performing tasks faster and more accurately than humans, and that as AI becomes more advanced, it'll be able to take on more complex tasks that currently require human intelligence. That's definitely something to think about. But hold on a minute, let's not panic just yet. While it's true that AI technologies are making an impact in the software engineering industry, it's unlikely that they will replace us software engineers entirely. I mean, come on, who's going to write all of those witty comments in the code if not us? Plus, let's be real, AI may be able to automate some tasks and improve efficiency, but it's probably not going to bring the same level of sarcastic humor in team meetings that we do. So let's not worry too much about being replaced by robots just yet. We've still got some time to shine. So what does the future of software engineering in 2023 look like? It's hard to say for sure, but it's likely that we'll see further integration of AI technologies into the development process. This may involve the use of AI for tasks like code analysis, testing, documentation, as I mentioned earlier, as well as building, deploying, and developing software. However, it's also important to note that AI is just one of the many trends and technologies that will shape the future of software engineering in the future. To sum it up, while AI is certainly making an impact in the software industry, it's unlikely to replace us entirely. Software engineering involves a wide range of tasks that require creativity, critical thinking, and empathy, which are difficult for AI to replicate. While AI may automate some tasks and improve efficiency, it will still be important for software engineers to have the right skills and also qualities to stay competitive in the future. As we move into 2023 and beyond, it's clear that AI will continue to play a significant role in the software engineering industry. However, it's important to remember that software engineering is more than just writing code. It's about understanding the business needs of a company and building solutions that meet those needs. To be a successful software engineer in the future, it will be equally important to understand the basics of machine learning so you can use it for your benefit and maybe help machine learning get there. That's all the time we have for today, but before I go, I have one more thing to ask of you. Subscribe to my channel. I promise to keep you entertained with more tech and career insights, including all the latest updates on the rise of AI. And maybe one day I'll even have an AI host for my videos. That would be a real game changer. But until then, make sure you hit that subscribe button.